Hey, what's up guys, I'm here with a video, and today I'm just going to be going over what I carry to the range in terms of medical equipment. So I feel like everyone should always have emergency medical equipment on standby, especially if you're going to be doing something like going to the range or handling firearms or just in general. I think it's always a good idea to have something available on hand if you ever needed it. So I'm going to show you guys what I bring to the range and what works for me. So this is basically my medical kit on the back. I have it easily accessible. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's not clearly marked. So if someone that doesn't really know me needed it, let's say if I got injured, they might not necessarily know that this is a medical kit. So I do plan on maybe adding like a patch or something here. I'm just figuring out how to do that without really damaging the bag. But it's very quick to detach. Not exactly like a rip off or anything that you rip it off, but still pretty easy. And what I like about it is that very simple to work out. By the way, this is the Oakley range bag, and I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check that out. I believe they do sell it on Amazon, and this is the military version that they have. So it might be easier to open it this way. So basically, if you guys take a look inside, this is how I have it organized. So very simple. And if you notice here, I have gloves. So I have, I think, 2 or 3 pairs of gloves here available if I need them. I have here medical tape available. I have here a tourniquet, which is the cat tourniquet, highly recommended. And I also have the Gen 7 one, which is the newer one with the gray tape on it. But this is what I have for this particular kit. Works pretty well. And then I have here an Israeli pressure bandage, which is also very much needed. You can't just put a tourniquet on everything, guys. Tourniquets are specifically for arterial bleeds and in worst case scenario emergencies, okay? If it's not an arterial bleed, you might just want to put a pressure bandage on it. I also have here some hand sanitizer. I don't know if you guys can see that, the Purell that I have there. So definitely you want to have your hands clean before you put the gloves on. That's ideally what you want to do. And I have here some extra medical tourniquets that they're very small and compact that you guys might want to consider carrying. And then I have here some medical scissors. They're not the heavy duty huge ones you guys always see. This is considered like a lightweight small compact type of situation that I try to set up here. So that's why I have it like that. And then in these back compartments I just have a little bit of Tegaderm, and I have also a quick clot, which are the gauzes. So basically this is like for a pneumothorax, which if you guys are not aware, is if you get shot, basically you need something to cover the front and something to cover the back so air doesn't come in and then basically like collapse your lungs. So you need that. And I recommend medical training for everyone. So medical training, anyone could do it. You don't have to be a health professional. I recommend that you guys get at least basic life support, BLS, CPR certified. And you know, if you're in the medical field, you definitely want to get ACLS certified, which is advanced cardiac life support, and PALS, which is pediatric advanced life support. So if you can't get those, definitely get them. Highly recommended. But that's pretty much it. I keep my pack pretty simple. This is basically the absolute emergencies for the worst case scenarios. This is not for little boo-boos and scratches. This doesn't have like band-aids and every little thing like that. This is literally like save your life type of pack that I have. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. If you have any suggestions, I'm always open to suggestions. I'm always trying to improve my systems, so I'd appreciate that. Like, share, sub. Also check out my B channel, which is Mindset and Tactics. And also look me up on Patreon. I have a Patreon account. It's just We Run Guns. And basically, I'm going to be posting things there, just deals, links, things maybe I can't necessarily post on YouTube or something that's just convenient just to quickly post. So check me out there. I also have an Instagram. And by the way, the Patreon is going to be free. You don't have to pay. But if you do want to support the channel, you're welcome to do so through there. So appreciate it. Links down below. Check me out. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, sub. WRG out.